So this is a buddy of mine's minivan. I got him pulling forward and backwards so we can see the engine flexing. He told me it was making a noise while he was driving. So we went over to look at it, and then we jacked it up on the jack, and he started spinning the passenger tire, and you can really see the engine flexing. What it boils down to is up underneath here, there's an engine torque mount, and the bushing is completely wore out. And when that engine is under load, it just moves back and forth.
Right.
Don't be driving them like this, guys.